one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
ZRP cop evicted from police camp for criticizing Mnangagwa. The 27th of August 2025. Spread the love by a correspondent, a former Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP officer, Assistant Inspector Tongai Fambai, has alleged that he was abruptly evicted from Chikado police camp in Masvingo after publicly criticizing President Emmerson Mnangagwa's decision to prioritize aid to Mozambique while Zimbabweans face worsening hunger at home. Fambai, who retired from the force in July 2025, told reporters that under ZRP policy, he was entitled to remain in police accommodation until October. However, those arrangements were cut short just days after he released a strongly worded statement condemning the government's cross-border donation policy. The donations to Mozambique are fiction that Zimbabweans will not accept, Fambai declared in his statement on Friday. By Monday morning, he says, he was handed abrupt instructions to vacate the police camp without delay. Inhumane eviction. Speaking emotionally about the incident, Fambai described the eviction as both rushed and unlawful. I was due to move out of the camp in October in accordance with an eviction notice. I was served by Superintendent Paul Mawan, who is now at PGHQ. I own a house outside of Masvingo and had given my tenants till September to move out. We have binding leases and I can't evict them, he said. According to Fambai, the forced removal left his family stranded and vulnerable. My property is piled in a small space. My wife suffered injuries carrying our property in my absence, and the police didn't provide manpower because they knew that they were committing a crime, he added. He further alleged that a chief superintendent personally supervised the eviction at Chikado, overseeing the loading of his belongings onto a truck and their removal to an unknown location. His wife and children were forced to assist with the move in his absence. Official silence. Contacted for comment, Masvingo Provincial Police spokesperson Inspector KUTYA declined to respond directly and referred all inquiries to National Police. Spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyathi. By the time of publication, Nyathi had not issued a statement on the matter. The incident has sparked outrage among human rights observers, who argue that the eviction appears to be politically motivated punishment for dissent, rather than a routine enforcement of housing policy.